Hello, it's time for today's lesson with Smart Phonics 2. Today we're going to do Unit 6. Unit 6. It is on page 56. Let's get started. Today we are going to learn short vowel O. Short vowel O. Now O, octopus, octopus, and tiger make ot, 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 ot. O, octopus, and x, ox, ox, ot, ox, ox. Okay? Let's look at our first 4 words. Ot, hot, hot. Ot, pot, pot. Ox, ox, box, box. Ox, ox. Good job. Fox, fox. Okay, let's go to the next page. Op, octopus, P, panda, op, octopus, gorilla, become og, og, op, og. There's our 4 words for today of these letters. Op, cop, cop. Op, hop, og, dog, og, log. Great job. Next page. So what is number 1? Number 1 is dog. So get our pencil and our paper and let's write number 1. Okay. Get that there. Number 1 is dog. Dog. Number 2 is hot. Hot. Good job. Number 3. What is that? Pot. Pot. Number 4. What's number 4? Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Good job. Number 5. What's number 5? Log. Log. And number 6, who is he? A cop. Cop. Awesome. Let's go to the next page. So let's answer the pictures here. Listen, match, and circle. Listen, match, and circle. Number 1, hot. And this one. So here, let's write this on our paper. Number 1, hot. And this will be number 1, and this will be number 2. So hot, 1. No, hot, 2. Right here, this picture. Not dog, hot. So hot and 2. Number 2. Number 2 is cop. Cop. So let's write cop. C-O-P. And which number is cop? Right, number 1. Good. Number 3. Number 3 is dog. Dog. So D-O-G. Dog. Which one is dog? Number 1. Good. 4. Number 4 is box. Box. So B-O-X. B-O-X. And which one is box? Good job. Number 1. Okay. Number 5. Log. Log. So, L-O-G. Log. Which one is log? Good. Number 2. And 6. Number 6 is box. Box. B-O-X. Right there. And which number is box? 1 or 2? 1. Good job. Let's go to the next page. Okay. So let's look, circle, and write. Look, circle, and write. Number 1. Okay. The is in the box. What is that? Good job. The dog. D-Og. The dog is in the box. 2. The is on the box. Good job. What is on the box? Good. A cop. A cop. Number 3. The dog is on the, what is that? A log. Good. L-O-G. Log. Number 4. The fox is, it is hot. Hot. Very hot. Number 5. The dog has a hot pot. Good. A hot pot. All right. Next page. Story time. Story. Read along. Okay. Our new words are R. Is not on. She the they. All right, let's get started. The fox hops on the box. Good. She is hot. All right. The dog hops on the log. She is hot. Good. The fox sits on the mat. The dog sits on the mat. They are not hot. Great. Let's go to the next page. Page 63. So let's start our first one. Number 1 is dog. Og, dog. So write them 2 times. Number 2, og, log. Log. Number 3, what is he? Cop. So op, cop. Good. Let's move up on a sheet of paper. Okay. Number 4. What's that? What's this? Hop. Op. Hop. Number 5. Hot, right? Hot. Ought. Hot. Number 6. What's number 6? Pot. Pot. Ought. Pot. P-O-T. Number 7. What's number 7? Box. Good. Ox. Box. B-O-X. And the last one, number 8, is a fox. Good. Ox. Fox. A fox. Let's go to the workbook. Chapter 6, short vowel O. Short vowel O. Okay? So choose and write. Choose and write. Number 1. Okay? Number 1, og. Og. B, dog. Right? D-O-G. Number 2, op. Op. So which one is op? Hop. Good. It's hop. H-O-P. Number 3, ot. Ot. Ooh. Pot. Good. P-ot. Number 4 is ox. And number 4 is box. Good job. Box. Let's go to the next page. Circle the picture with the same ending sound. Circle the picture with the same ending sound. Number 1, what has the same sound as log? Log. Bib. Log bib. No. Log dog. Yeah. Log wig. Log wig. No. Good. Number 2, hop. 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 Cop. Yeah. Hop. Rib. No. Hop. Lip. No. Cop. Number 3, pot. Pot. Hit? No. Pot. Net? No. Pot. Hot? Yeah. Hot. And number 4, fox. A, B, C. Which one? B. Good job. Box. All right, let's go to the next page. So let's get our piece of paper and our pencil, and let's write down the words. Number 1 is dog. Good. Write them 2 times, okay? Dog, dog. What's number 2? Red. Red. How do you spell red? R, E, D. D. Red. Number 3. What's number 3? Good. Fox. F, X. Fox. Number 4. Good. Fin. F, I, N. Fin. Number 5. What's number 5? Log. Good job. L, O, G. Log. Number 6. What's 6? Jet. J, J, E, E, T, T. Jet. All right. Number 7. Cop. Really good. K, O, P. Cop. C-O-P. Number 8. What's number 8? P. Pen. P. E. N. Pen. What's number 9? Box. Good job. Number 9 is box. B, O, X. Box. Number 10. What's number 10? Mix. Right. M, I, X. X. M-I-X. Number 11. What's number 11? Hot. Good. H, O, O, T, T. Hot. Number 12. What's number 12? Do you remember? L. Do you remember? Lid. Good. L, I, D. L-I-D. Lid. Great job. Let's go to the next page. So let's go to our page and write these missing letters. Write the missing letters. All right. And this is, we have 2 more pages. So number 1 is cop. Good. C-O-P. What's number 2? P. Pot. Good job. P-O-T. Number 3. What's 3? Oh, it's a dog. Good. D-O-G. Dog. Number 4. Hop. Great job. So fast. H-O-P. What's number 5? Number 5 is a box. Yeah. B-O-X. Box. Number 6. What's number 6? Log. Yeah. A log. Number 7. Hot. Yeah. H-O-T. Hot. Number 8. What's number 8? A fox. Yeah. Great job. Oh, it's time to write and draw. All right. So here we go. Number 1 is a box and O-G. Number 2 is a box and O-P. Number 3 is a box and O-T. And number 4, we'll put 4 over here. We'll put 4 on the bottom. Number 4 is a box and O-X. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Number 1 is og. What should we draw for og? A log. I'll draw a log. So draw my circle. And my log. We got a little circle there. Some wood. A crack in the wood right there. And there's my log. All right, that was pretty easy. How about op? Op. How about hop? Hop. I'm gonna draw something silly. Yay! Hop. All right, that's a simple one. Let's do ought. What should we draw for ought? A pot. P-O-T, a pot. So we need a circle. And we need the pot. We need some handles. There's one on the other side. We need some steam because it's hot. A little bit of soup in there. We need some fire. Right, because it's on a stove. And we're cooking. There we go. We have a pot. And now number 4, ox. I can't draw a fox, so I will draw a box. B-O-X, a box. Got my box here. Box there. Got my box top here. And my box top here. And we're going to tape our box closed because it's a present. Present for grandma. Got some more here. And we're going to write gift. So it's our gift. With tape. T-A-P-E. Tape. Awesome job. Let's go to the next page. Our last page. Page 40. Page 40. Alright, here we go. Gonna make a box right here. Now, let's write our numbers. What's number 1? It's a dog. Good. So, D-O-G. Write them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So, dog, dog, dog. All right? Number 2. What's number 2? A log. Good. A log. So, L-O-G. 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 3 times. What's number 3? Boom, boom, boom. Hop. Good job. So H, H, O, P. Hop. Number 4. Who's he? A cop. Good. K, K, O, P. C-O-P. All right, let's go to number 5. Number 5 is a pot. Good. So, P-O-T. Pot. Pot. What's number 6? Ooh, hot. Good job. It's hot. H-O-T. Hot. All right. Number 7. What's number 7? It's a box. Yeah. Can you spell box? How do you spell box? B-O-X. Great job. What's number 8? A fox. Yeah. How do you spell fox? F-O-X. Great job. Congratulations. Next time, we'll do Unit 7. Goodbye.